Bol prvý deň dlho očakávaných školských prázdnin.
It was the first day of the long-awaited school holiday.
Alika a Tom sedeli vo vlaku, ktorý ich viezol na vidiek k starým rodičom.
Alika and Tom were sitting in the train on their way to the countryside to their grandparents.
Boli to už 2 roky, čo tam boli naposledy.
It was 2 years since they were last there.
Alika sa naozaj veľmi tešila a nevedela sa dočkať, kedy tam už budú.
Alika was really looking forward to it, and she couldn't wait to get there.
Milovala piecť koláčiky so starkou a krmiť králiky, ktoré starkému daroval sused.
She loved baking cakes with Grandma and feeding the rabbits which their neighbor had given to Grandpa.
Tom sa na návštevu netešil ani trochu.
Tom was not looking forward to the visit at all.
V dome starých rodičov nebol dostupný internet ani káblová televízia.
The internet and cable TV were not available at their grandparents' house.
Čo bude robiť dlhé letné prázdniny bez internetu a káblovky?
What would he be doing for the very long summer holiday without internet?
Vlak dorazil do stanice s 15-minútovým meškaním.
The train arrived at the station 15 minutes late.
Alika a Tom vyskočili z plného vlaku ako prví.
Alika and Tom were the first to jump out of the packed train.
Presne tak, ako keď tu boli aj naposledy, čakal ich ujo Oliver s konským záprahom.
Just like the last time, Uncle Oliver was there waiting for them with the horse carriage.
Ujo Oliver bol veľmi dobrý priateľ starých rodičov a ich najbližší sused.
Uncle Oliver was their grandparents' very good friend and closest neighbor.
Býval na opačnej strane jazera, kde mal malé hospodárstvo, na ktorom choval ovce.
He lived on the other side of the lake where he had a small farm with sheep.
Bolo to len 5 minút peši od domu ich starých rodičov.
It was only 5 minutes' walk from their grandparents' house.
Vítajte späť v Avondale, zakričal nadšene a svojimi silnými rukami schytil všetky ich tašky.
Welcome back to Avondale, he shouted excitedly, as he grabbed all their bags with his strong hands.
Ahoj, ujo Oliver, odpovedala usmievajúca sa Alika.
Hello, Uncle Oliver, replied a smiling Alika.
Konečne sme tu.
We are finally here.
Tom stále rozmýšľajúc nad svojim internetom a káblovkou, len potichu zašomral. Ahoj.
Tom, still thinking about his internet, just replied with a faint hi.
Ani sa len nesnažil tajiť, že on sem ísť nechcel.
He was not even making it a secret that he didn't want to come here.
Do 5 minút už boli na ceste k domu.
Within 5 minutes, they were on their way to the house.
Prechádzali nádherným údolím plným rozvoniavajúcich letných kvetov.
They were passing through a beautiful valley filled with sweet-smelling summer flowers.
Dúfam, že ma prídete aspoň nás navštíviť, povedal po krátkom tichu ujo Oliver.
I hope that you will come and visit me at least once, said Uncle Oliver after a while of silence.
Jasné, odpovedala Alika a na chvíľu sa prestala kochať v plynúcej krajine.
Sure, answered Alika, briefly interrupting her admiration of the passing countryside.
A ukážeš nám malé ovečky?
And you will show us some lambs.
To je predsa samozrejmé. Ak by ste sa veľmi nudili, môžete mi prísť pomôcť s pasením oviec. Zavtipkoval Oliver a pritom si chytil klobúk, aby mu ho neodfúkol vietor.
Well, of course. And if you get very bored, you can come and help take care of all the sheep, joked Uncle Oliver as he held his hat from being blown by the wind.
Bola to krátka 20-minútová jazda.
It was a short 20-minute ride.
Pozri, Tom, skrikla Alika.
Wow, look, Tom, shouted Alika.
To je dom starých rodičov.
Is that grandparents' house?
Tom vyskočil zo svojho sedadla a pozrel sa smerom, ktorým ukazovala Alika.
Tom jumped out of his seat and looked where Alika was pointing.